Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you've been here before, thank you girl for clicking on this video. Over here, you're gonna get beauty, lifestyle, fashion, motherhood, and all the girly things in between. But today, y'all, we are creating a really cute, easy, simple makeup look for the summer. So if it's something that you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. We're gonna be using this primer that I recently got from TJ Maxx. So this is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. It's the Hydrating Silicone-Free Primer. I don't think I've tried this before, but anything hydrating, count me in. Count me in. And especially for the summer month. Now, if you have oily skin, just make sure that you're hydrating your skin and then using a mattifying primer, especially in those areas that you do see a lot of oils. Ooh, this is very hydrating. Very hydrating. It definitely gives a glow, which we love over here. And if you're new here, my skin is sensitive, but it's normal to dry. So that's why I like a lot of hydrating products. And I like my face to look very glowy and radiant, not oily, but kind of like this throughout the day. So since it is the summer months, it's too hot for those heavyweight foundations or just a full-on foundation in general sometimes, unless it's a night out in the summer. But we're gonna pull out a foundation that I think is still lightweight and you can like build it up to be full coverage for nighttime. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. I have not used this in a while. I think I've recently used it maybe once or twice, and I'm in the shade number 11 Neutral. This is the e.l.f. sponge, and I damped it. So that's what it looks like with one layer. Very nice with that primer too. I'm just gonna do one more layer, one more pump in the area that I like to put it the most, which is on my cheek area. I know it's not covering much of my freckles, but I do like to put a little bit more there on my nose. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty We're Even Hydrating Concealer. And another reason to use a lot of hydrating products, because once you put that powder on, you don't wanna look too cakey. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna put the Tarte Shape Tape just to give a little bit more coverage and also brightness. My shade in the Fenty is the 350C. Tarte is 35 in medium, but I'll have all of these products linked down below. So shop there for some of these products. Take a look there. While that sits, I'm going ahead and put on my bronzer, going in with my Juvia's Place stick. I'm gonna spray my face with this Laura Mercier Translucent Pure Setting Spray. It's a 16-hour invisible hydrating spray. Now, the sprayer nozzle on this thing, look how it missed. It's serious, okay? So you definitely have to be careful with this. She sprays so powerful, like, I don't know about the nozzle on that. It's too aggressive, it's too aggressive. Also gonna go in with my e.l.f. blush and place that here as well. And with my Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder, the Veil Translucent Setting Powder. This is a very nice powder. It definitely keeps the makeup in place. On top of that, we're gonna go in with the NYX Butter Bronzer, the Buttermelt Bronzer. This is in the shade Do Butter. These are so buttery, they smell amazing. I'm gonna go in and bronze this skin up with this. A little bit of this goes a very long way. So I'm not trying to do too much makeup, just brush this all over the lid. So I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder and just buff this all over the skin to like set everything in place. And before I forget and go on to the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty brow gel. Y'all, if you haven't tried this brow gel, what are you waiting on? She keeps my brows in place. In place. For blush, I'm going in with this MAC Cosmetics blush in the shade Melba. I felt like it was the perfect shade for this e.l.f. This is like the best dynamic duo. And I love blush over here, so we're gonna blush it. I'm not gonna put any false lashes on, but this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, the chocolate brown. To take the Charlotte Tilbury powder, which I should have did before the mascara, but this is in the shade Fair. I like to take this and go under my eyes just to like brighten it up a bit. And y'all, I found this Bobbi Brown highlighter at TJ Maxx. OMG, it is in the shade Sunset Glow. Beautiful pink. Look at this. Beautiful. I'm gonna swatch it for you. Beautiful. I have worn it once and it's like this really beautiful champagne pink. I really hope you can see the reflux on that, but girl, we're gonna put this on as our highlighter today. Fire. Lips, I'm gonna go in with my new favorite lip combo. This is the NYX Vivid Rich liner. It is a brown liner and this liner is pretty deep for me. So I try to like not go too ham. But if you are a deeper tone, then this would be perfect. I feel like it's a beautiful deep brown. And it's a retractable, so you don't have to worry about sharpening it. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with my Buxom Vava Plump and Top It Off. This is a beautiful, nice glossy, pinky nude. It's like my favorite go-to. And there you have it. A nice, glowy, lightweight feel, summer look, okay? So I hope you enjoyed being with me today, planning makeup, creating this summer look. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.